Hi, today we're going to be taking a review look in how to use iWORLD cable biters. So yep, it comes from us from iWORLD. These are their cable biters. This one's the little hedgehog right there. There's so many different characters to choose from. And then there's like a holiday Christmas pack to choose from. Now where can you pick these up? Tons of places. I mean, Amazon, eBay. You just type in like iWORLD and cable tie. iWORLD, what is it? Cable bites, biters, and tons of listings would come up. You just hit images and then it shows you all the places. So yeah, prices varies from different website to website. I actually put this up at Walmart for like, I want to say like $1.50, which is actually pretty cheap considering all the websites what they're offering these for. So yeah. Now how do these work? Let me zoom out for a second here. Come on. So you flip upside down, you slide your cable in through its belly, and then you push it up towards its mouth, and then it locks into place. So, as we can see there, iWORLD cable biters. So let me get this off of his head here. There we go. So we can actually take a better look at the little hedgehog. Now he does have like a little plastic rubbery tooth in there that is painted. There's his little quills. He looks so cute. And we can see there's a little split where you put your cable in, and then there's where it's supposed to end up at. Yeah. So let's get our cable out here. Now you want to put it on not this end with the USB port. So do not put it on that end. You want to put it on this end that actually plugs into your device. So they're saying just kind of put it upside down. For the first time it is a bit of a pain where you gotta try to split it and push your cable in there. So I also just kind of like hot dog splitting it like that, kind of. Get your cable in there, hold it down, and then yeah, it's kind of hard to put your cable in there at first, but there you go, it's in there. Rotate it around so that it's facing the right way, and then push it in there, but make sure you hear this little quack sound. Well, this one actually we don't hear the quit sound. Huh. Okay, but it's in there. It is going to split it just a little bit, just a hair, but the cable is actually in there. Kind of looks like it's throwing up a cable, or almost like the cable is this new tongue, like it's way to go. Stick my tongue into your device. It's going to tongue your device. But yeah. So the whole idea why you want one of these is usually you put them in, your cable in, and that's it, right? But over time, and some people just yank their cables out. I've seen in my family, so many people in my family, they don't know how to actually take a cable out of their phones and stuff. They just like yank it out, yank it out. They're like, this cord doesn't work. I only had it for like 2 weeks and now it's broken. But no duh, if you keep on yanking and pulling it, it's gonna break, obviously. You got, and then they'll be like, all like, okay, it's in. And then they'll be like, nah, it's out. I'm like, wow, you do not know how to use, a phone cord. Usually you just do the easy thing. In, out. That's what I do. That's why all my cable cords, my battery, power banks, cables to charge up all my other stuff, they're in good condition. But this is kind of meant for the people, like in my family, that don't really know how to use it. So what this is supposed to do is also supposed to prevent, let me grab the other end here to show you now, from, cables, where they droop down and stuff like, and bend side to side, where usually the wire and the block piece usually gets deteriorated and the wire starts showing up and stuff. So it's supposed to keep it nice, except there's two problems with these. One is, it can only go on one end that, you plug into like your phone or other devices. It doesn't go on this end, which I wish that they would make like a little toothpick that says, hey, one critter goes on, this end that actually supplies power to your device, while the other end, goes into like, car outlet, wall outlet, your computer, for the USB part to protect that one. Another thing is, these can only go on wound cords. And what I mean by wound cords is, let me see where my flat cord is here. Is this. If you look at these cords, as you can clearly see, these ones are flat. So these little critters can only go on cords that are wounded. They do not go on flat cords. I mean, you probably could fit them in there, but then you're going to be turning and bending the flatness to have it go all the way through its body, and then it's probably going to slide out for the slide if it turns. So, like I said, two problems with these little fellers. One, they can only go on, one part of the cord. They don't go on, the other part of the cord. And two, they only go on wound cords, which is not that bad. Although, usually what I found, wound cords, when they charge up a device, it's a lot slower than flat cords. Flat cords, I don't know why, you think that they'll take more time to charge up a device because they're flat compared to, a lot more wires and stuff in a wound cord. But no, flat cords apparently charge up my devices a lot faster than wound cords. But yeah, just wanted to show you, these things exist, who might benefit from the interest of actually buying one of these. There's a whole slew of different characters and designs and stuff. You can pretty much buy them anywhere, well, at least online and stuff. But yeah, there has been, a review on how to use iWORLD cable BiTERS hedgehog. Remember to rate, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell. Alright, thanks, bye.